there! It's very windy today, so it shouldn't be long before these clothes are dry. Hey! I heard one of the people who lives in the house say the clothes would probably be dry at, Oops! I forgot! Click the clothes to see what time the person said they'd be dry. Yes, 9:30. So, the clothes will probably be dry right around 9:30. I wonder where the hour and minute hands on a clock point when it's 9:30. Let's learn a little more about using a clock to tell time. Then we'll be able to answer the question. Come on! Barbara goes to the store at 6 o'clock. Let's find the clock that shows 6 o'clock. What time does the first clock show? The hour hand is halfway between the 6 and the 7. And the minute hand is pointing to the 6. This clock shows a time to the half hour. It doesn't show 6 o'clock, it shows 6:30. What about the second clock? What time does it show? The hour hand points to the 6, and the minute hand points to the 12. This clock shows a time to the hour. It shows 6 o'clock, the time Barbara goes to the store. Let's try another problem. Barbara takes Ria for a walk at 4:30. Which clock shows 4:30? This clock shows a time to the hour, 4 o'clock. So we know that this can't be the clock we're looking for. Let's cross it out. Which of these two clocks shows 4:30? At 4:30, the hour hand points halfway between the 4 and the 5, and the minute hand points to the 6. Both clocks show a minute hand pointing to the 6. Look at the hour hand on the first clock. Is the hour hand pointing halfway between the 4 and the 5? No, the hour hand is pointing halfway between the 5 and the 6. Look at the hour hand on this clock. Is the hour hand pointing halfway between the 4 and the 5? Yes, the hour hand is pointing halfway between the 4 and the 5. What about the minute hand? Does it point to the 6? Yes, the minute hand points to the 6. So this clock shows 4:30, the time Barbara takes Ria for a walk. This clock shows the time 7 o'clock. How does a digital clock show time? It shows the hour and the number of minutes after the hour. The colon separates the hour from the number of minutes. This digital clock shows that the hour is 7 o'clock, and there are 0 minutes after the hour. Now look at this clock. The hour hand is pointing to the 7. Where should the minute hand point? Click the number that the minute hand should point to show 7 o'clock. Great job! The minute hand points to the 12 to show 7 o'clock. Look at this digital clock. What time does it show? The clock shows that the hour is 7 o'clock. And there are 30 minutes after the hour, so the time is 7:30. Now look at this clock. The hour hand is halfway between the 7 and the 8. Where should the minute hand point? Click the number that the minute hand should point to show 7:30. Great job! The minute hand should point to the 6. The clock shows 7:30. Now let's practice with the personal math trainer. Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer.
Thanks for helping me find out where the hands on a clock will be pointing when it's 9:30. See you soon!